Oh, hello there, guys. You're here today. Me and my crab friend over here, we were thinking about playing new game. Crab said, play the game I'm in, but I don't know what this game is, but I found out. I've had to go through, oh my. No. I'm here today with Sand. He's on my head. And I'm just eating some horrible bananas. Because that's the only thing you can eat. Did you just say honga conga thing? Oh wait, I'm super monkey. If this is a monkey. Was it a banana? What was that noise? It went nom. It was very scary. Ooh yay, swing vine. I just saw the croco man. Ooh, big banana. Ooh, strange banana. Ooh, arrow. The arrows want me to go somewhere. Where do you want me to go, arrows? Ooh, that's nice bananas. Whee! Whee! This is fun. I'm happy that Crab is donated this Oh. He didn't donate it. Ooh, rocket! Woo! Oh no, my rocket. Sand. Wah! Sand, why did you not help me from Crab? Crab, I thought you said this was a fun game. Not an evil game where the crab pinches your booty. Hunger man! Ouch, barrel. Wait, let's run into things, except from rock, cause rock. You all know not to play around rocks, cause they're worse than Legos when you stand on them. La la la. Wee. Oh my. I fell. Wait, can I? You probably think I'm annoying, but I've got something even annoyinger. I'm just going to... We're back. This video. Let's watch it. Turn the sound up because it's fun. If you and...
You want to hear the most annoying sound in the world?
Hello, purple thing. This is very fun song. I'm going to help draw you some maracas because it looks like you need some. Let's just do some yellow one. We are just... Wait, what? Here's some maracas. Do you like them? How long is this on? Oh no. I do not feel very well. Oh my, I don't want to mute. I'm making vid. Go away. I'm putting brick wall in front of you so I can't hear you. I don't like you, Mr. Hippo, now. Or whatever creature you are. Guys, I think I'm going to die. Goodbye. See you all later. Oh my gosh, no. No, you can't leave me, viewers. No.